Guys,
Okay.
can you hear us? Yeah.
Can you guys hear us? We're on live.
Yeah, sure. I guess we're
As
on
always.
now.
Yeah, you guys hear us? Well, please let us know. I believe there will be a little bit delay, so yeah, I'm not quite sure if you guys see us yet.
Yeah, make sure everything
see
looks
that?
good, everything sounds good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't see anything here from my phone yet, but I believe you guys, some of you guys might already seen us here. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Here I am. Hello, guys. Loud and clear. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for the
Thank you,
feedback.
Vasilis. Thank you, Vasilis. Well, thank you, guys. If you guys hear us, please let us know, and we can actually, chat for a while.
Yeah, sure. Have a little bit chat here. All right.
Yeah, because we are still waiting for the participants to get in.
Sure.
Right, and today we have a couple of new features, new products to talk about.
Yeah.
So yeah, we will have a good hour or so.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So yeah, let's first talk.
Yeah, take it easy, chill.
Take it easy. Yeah. How has things been going? In your country. Okay. Hi. I see you greeting. Hi guys. Thank you. I see you. Vasils.
Sure.
Joey Swap. Chris Fing. Yeah. X2. Yeah.
Sure.
How have you been? Emmanuel.
I guess now everything's
Yeah,
all
Miss
clear,
Real,
and we're gonna
Sogar.
just wait for like around 5 minutes. I think we will be muted for around 5 minutes, guys.
Is that necessary?
I think probably it is. Yeah, we're gonna be
All right.
muted for like 5 minutes. All right.
Why don't we just chat? Okay. Why don't we just talk?
All right, just go ahead. I never stop you.
Okay, I think we can, interact.
Yeah.
Because we don't get that much chance to, talk with our guys. Hi, Ramon. Hey, Yeastar Academy Italia. That will be Max. Hi, Max. Hi, Chris Fing. Hi from Saudi. Hey, guys. How have you been? DVCom. Hello.
Hey,
Hello,
guys. Yeah. Good to see you all here.
Good to see you all here. We have plans to, do some do some activities.
On-site
activities.
Right.
Yeah. Well, because we've been here for a couple of years.
Yeah.
We're
it's been
getting
years.
Yeah, we're getting pretty tired.
Yeah, we've been so tired about
Yeah.
this.
And our sales team is being so eager.
Yeah.
Some of them are already trying to get their passport.
Yeah, sure. Their visa, their passport, anyway.
Yeah,
Their
well-
ticket.
Well, things are moving a little bit slow because of everything. But if they get that, I think they will go to your country and
pretty
visit you
sure.
guys. Hi, all from Milan. Hi, guys. Hi, Ricardo. Hi, Emily. Oh, so many of our partners have been here. He's now here, right?
That's good.
Yeah. Well, we do have plans to do some road shows.
Sure.
And I believe.
Some of you guys already get the information, all right? Get this information
Yeah.
from our side, from our
Yeah.
social media. Anyway,
Yeah.
we do have a plan for it.
Yeah. Next week you will get official notification.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello from Hungary. Yeah. Hi guys. Whoa, we have partners all around the world.
Yep.
The rest, thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Well, we are trying to go out there and meet you guys face to face, but it takes some time.
Yeah.
And I think after summer, our sales team can
Sure.
visit you guys. Hello from Zambia. Hi, Cal. Hi, Cal. How's everything going? Morning. Comms UK Telecoms. Morning. It's morning here. It's now actually afternoon in China.
It's 5 o'clock. 5
5
p.m.
o'clock. Yeah. One last hour in the office.
Yeah. 1 last hour in the office.
And we are free for the day. Yeah. Okay. So, hello from Yemen. Okay. So many guys. So many of you guys. It's been very nice of you guys. We see your greetings from all around the world.
Sure.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being here with us.
Yeah.
I guess we can start.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
Okay.
because we never mute ourselves, we can just jump in.
Yeah, we can just jump in. We haven't muted ourselves because we want to talk to you guys.
Sure.
It's a rare opportunity, right? Even though our sales team can go out there, well, we will try, but we cannot guarantee that.
We can make sure.
Yeah, we cannot make sure that we can, visit your country, do road shows ourselves as training teams.
Sure.
But anyway, well, let's just
let's just jump in.
Yeah, let's just jump in. Okay.
Sure.
So once again, thank you guys for coming, and thank you guys for joining our live stream.
Sure.
Yeah. And well, today we have big features to announce.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Today, we have, as we mentioned in the previous video on the YouTube channel, we just told you guys we're going to have upgrade on the P-Series system. We're also going to have the upgrade on the S-Series system.
S-Series system,
right.
Yeah. So basically, well, we have made a announcement last month.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our new tagline.
Sure.
And the reason why we have a new tagline, as Jason explained, as we also, explained in the interview with Prince.
Sure.
Yeah, because the world is changing.
Yeah. The way we work, the way we communicate, everything's changing, guys.
Everything is changing, guys. And our customers and the markets are looking for new features, new things in a telecommunication system because
that's right.
Yeah, the way we work has changed. The way companies and people collaborate with each other has changed totally.
Yeah.
So we have to adjust our system so that when you got a customer who is requiring such a solution,
that's right.
You can offer with Yeastar.
Yeah.
So, well, you will see this version is actually one of our very important first step actually.
That's right.
Yeah, towards our new function.
This new firmware, guys, is not just a firmware release. It's so important for the P-Series system. Because you guys can check here. That's the topic.
Integrated system delivered. Yeah.
That means we're going to make the P-Series system be more open, more dynamic, and you will be able to have more possibilities to realize lots of third-party, integrations.
Yeah. So it's S-Series. Okay. Yeah. So in today's live stream, we will be first talking about a big upgrade on P-Series PBX Software Edition.
Yeah, sure. Well, Software Edition is nothing new, but this update is so important.
It will give you new market.
Absolutely, guys.
New opportunity.
Previously, you got the Software Edition. That's a very flexible solution. You have the flexibility to deploy this on the hardware server, virtual machine, or cloud server as you wish.
Yeah.
But the thing is, it can only support 500 users.
Now we will have now.
That's right. You just mentioned we give you guys another opportunity to win another market, which means this new firmware gives you totally 10,000 users, guys.
10,000 users.
That's right.
Yeah, 10,000 users PBX. That's a monstrous solution.
Yeah, it's a beast.
It's a beast. Yeah. So well, with this new equipment, you can actually target new markets, big corporations.
Yeah.
And together with the 10,000 extensions, you will have 1,000 concurrent calls.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. It's huge. Right, it's huge. And by the way, you can actually deploy it, on a server, a hardware server.
That's right.
Right, if that's what your customer need. And also, it supports
data center,
virtual machine. Yeah. And at the same time, if you want to deploy it totally on a cloud-based service.
Yeah, you can just do it directly.
You can do it.
That will be the single instance based on the cloud.
A public cloud or a private cloud. Yeah, it depends on you. So you will have total flexibility to do that.
That's right.
Yeah.
So just like we mentioned, this time it gives you guys this possibility to win another market.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this is a best choice for a big project.
Yeah. For now, I believe. Well, these are the specifications, I believe.
Yeah,
right?
Sure. You guys can take a look.
Yeah, okay.
As we mentioned, 10,000 users with 1,000 concurrent calls. That's exactly what it is. It's a beast. All right.
Yeah.
And I guess some of you guys probably want to know more details about how do we deploy this? What about the requirement of the servers? You guys can check in the chat panel.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Our colleagues, they're just going to share the link to you guys in the chat panel, and you can simply go click on that link, get the details of this particular new solution, the beast.
Yeah. Okay. So I think our colleague is sending out the the document,
Sure.
a link where you can, get all details, technical details, parameters, right? And here we go. As we have just mentioned, and including the server requirements,
Sure.
And if you are interested, you can definitely check help.yeastar.com.
Yeah.
There you will find a menu,
sure.
to guide you through the installation process.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is okay. Okay, we are receiving a lot of feedbacks.
Yeah,
cool, right?
That's cool.
And we got Andy got up just to watch the live stream from the US.
All right.
Okay.
This time, guys.
Okay. Guys.
All right.
Thank you so much. But
Thank
after the live stream, just get some sleep.
Yeah, sure. You truly need it.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go on. Okay.
Let's keep going. So I guess this is not going to be an announcement for telling you guys that we have this new firmware on the P-Series software edition.
Yeah,
we
actually.
also get prepared to bring you guys some cases, successful stories.
Successful stories, because the thing is, it's been out there, the 10,000
for a while.
extension for a little while, right? We already got some cool cases that we can share with you.
Yeah,
right?
That's right.
Well, first of all, is a big corporation that you guys will know.
I'm pretty sure you guys are quite familiar with this one.
Yeah.
Which is
TikTok headquarter.
exactly.
Yeah, TikTok headquarter in China now deploy all P-Series PBX.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess they have a couple of offices, couple of major offices.
Yeah, they
in
have
China.
3 major offices in China,
Right.
Along with a lot of branches all around the country.
Sure.
But there's 3 big major offices in China, and they are all using P-Series PBX.
The software edition.
Yeah, they actually have 8,000 extensions.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a big company, right?
Well, big companies.
Sure.
So 8,000 extensions with hot standby, of course.
Yeah.
The cool thing here is they use very small portion of IP phones.
Yeah, they prefer mobility. They
Yeah,
prefer UC clients.
Yeah, they only have IP phones for the management.
Sure.
But for the other extension users, they only use Linkus
Mobile client and web client. Yeah.
and Linkus Web, because that's the solution that they're looking for.
That's right.
That is totally integrated with their mobile phone of the employees.
Yeah.
And it can be directly included into a company phone system.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah.
And so they can make business call with their mobile phone and receive it with mobile phone wherever they are, whenever it is. Right.
Yeah.
It's a big corporation. The job is there to do. Right.
Yeah.
So here, this is one of the big cases.
Yeah,
right.
I think this case is very iconic. That's absolutely.
Yeah.
Sure.
Headquarter.
And, I actually got another case I want to share with you guys. That one was the one deployed in the domestic market in China.
Yeah.
We also have another case. One of our partners just shared this to us.
Yeah.
It's a case in Thailand.
In Thailand.
It's a call center, guys.
It's a call center.
Yeah. First of all, it's a call center.
Yeah.
And the thing is, this customer previously, they were using the P-Series software edition with 500 users. But like I said, they're running the call center. They need more and more users. The thing is, previously, it can only cover 500 users. This time, we just bring them the good news. Well, you can simply upgrade your P-Series software edition from 500 users to over 1,000 users.
Over 1,000 users.
That's right.
Yeah.
Now they're using our software edition with Linkus web client. For some
with the call center kit.
That's right.
With the call center
with
interface.
those UC functions and especially the call center kit.
Yeah. Well, cool. So, I guess it shows you again. It is software edition.
Sure.
So it doesn't start with 10,000 extensions, right? So you have the total flexibility, to adjust the system capacity according to your customer's requirement.
Sure.
Now it can reach 10,000 extensions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, 2 cases just tells you that it is possible for you to use the P-Series software edition for any kind of projects. For anyone who are looking for a big system, maybe this is going to be a project for a government user, for education, for insurance office, for a call center. Anyway, just go for it.
And don't forget, because we can support hardware, we can support virtual machine, data center. We can also support cloud deployment. So no matter what the customer needs and is requiring, we can offer them, right?
Absolutely.
And there are other functions that come along with this upgrade.
Yeah, sure. Since we're talking about the software edition, the beast, the big system, right? I guess this time the new firmware, it gives you guys a really cool feature, which is really helpful, especially for this sort of big project.
Yeah.
It's called organization.
One of it, because well, for big corporations, it's not only about the capacity, the size, right? Because it's a big corporation, the management can be very sophisticated.
That's a big
and
deal.
Demanding.
Exactly.
Right? So they will need more tools to make their management easier.
Yeah.
And up to their level.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, for example, like you got a company with over thousands of users. If I try to find another, a colleague, let's see, I don't even know what is his name.
Yeah.
It's really hard for me to figure this out.
Well, if you're working for a company with a couple thousand people, sometimes you don't know who actually you're looking for.
That's right.
You don't know the name. You just need to find someone in that department. Yeah. So let's just jump right into it.
I mean,
and show
you guys can take a look. Have a look. Check on my computer now. You guys can see my screen sharing now. This is going to be the web client. And exactly this is the feature I was talking about before. It's called organization. Once again, just like I said, you jump into your web client, and if you have a bunch of users, which is your colleagues, so many colleagues, you try to figure that out. You can just go check the organization here. Now, for example, we have the company name is called Yeastar.
Yeastar, right?
Yeah, we create a couple of departments. Sales department, tech support, training team, accounting office, anyway. And I can even create multi-levels.
Yeah.
Absolutely. For example, like this, the domestic sales, international sales, anyway.
Yeah, because for big corporations, the departmental structure would be way more complicated.
That's right.
Would be way more complex.
Yeah.
They will have multi-tiered, multi-level department.
That's right.
So they may have departments, they may have sub-departments,
That's right.
and they may have a couple of teams under the sub-departments.
Sure.
It's how it works in big corporations, and we need to reflect that in our PBX.
That's right.
And it's not only about the department, but in many cases, the certain operations that they can do in the phone system and certain privileges, like for example, the authorization to check contacts,
voicemail, the visibilities, anyway.
Recordings
That's right.
should be customized according to their departmental function.
That's right, sure.
Right?
Sure.
And so once we have the organization activated, all those things, the visibility of certain people, certain departments, and the voicemails, all the authorizations of the operations that we have mentioned can be customized according to the departments.
That's right.
And certain personnel.
True.
Yeah. So it can match the requirements of big corporations.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Yeah. And actually this feature, it's actually supported on all of our solutions. Not only for the big system.
Yeah. Well, it is designed for big projects
of course.
because big companies
they need it.
Yeah. Big companies tend to use them.
Sure.
But the thing is, when it comes to smaller offices, if they really need it,
that's also supported. Now, for example, this is P570.
Yeah, we're using a P570.
I'm not using the beast. I'm not using the big system.
Okay, so P5, all editions and all models are supported.
That's right.
Yeah, right. So you can use it once you upgrade your PBX, and you will get this function.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
And we also have another function. It's not out there yet.
It's gonna be a promise from you, right?
Yeah, I promise.
Okay.
I promise you guys that in the next version there will be another really, really important function for system management that will be supporting Microsoft AD and AAD.
Okay, that's great, guys.
Yeah.
Especially for a big company, once again, you want to optimize your management. First of all, you can choose to use the organization feature directly.
Yeah.
And you got another option by the next firmware.
Yeah, the thing is, when it comes to big corporations, they need a centralized management for all of their devices that is connected to the network, right? So a lot of them use Microsoft AD.
Microsoft AD, AAD.
Yeah, so we can support that. Our P-Series PBX will be part of that in the next version. Okay, not this one, but in the next version. Okay, but it just shows our plan, about our PBX.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure. Okay. Yeah.
And by the way, one more thing, the organization is available on the web client and mobile.
Yeah, of course, guys. You guys can see, I just showed you the live demo with the web client. Actually, this feature, it also works on your mobile client. It's fully synchronized.
Yeah, fully synchronized.
Yeah, so next time you want to check your colleagues by using, departments, through the departments anyway, you can use your mobile.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it for the software edition.
Sure.
Yeah,
Now let's keep going.
keep going.
Another update available on this P-Series system, another updated feature. I guess this is also one of our promises before.
Your promise.
Yeah, my promise, okay.
Yeah.
So previously, I just promised you guys we're going to support another CRM, which is Hubspot.
Yeah.
Well, good news, guys. Hubspot, it's supported once you get the new firmware on your P-Series system this time. So first thing first, the same as usual, once we figure out the integration with Hubspot, those major features, functions, they're fully supported, like what you can do with Zoho and Salesforce. Incoming call pop-up, click to call journal, synchronize your contacts. Anyway, they're fully supported.
Fully supported.
Yeah, sure.
So, well, first of all, let's jump into the interface. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. So to make sure that you can use the integration, you will have to firstly subscribe your PBX to Enterprise Plan or Ultimate Plan.
That's right.
Yeah, and then you have to make sure that your Hubspot, if all is of all those, here. Yeah, listed.
Yeah, that side.
Okay, listed edition.
Yeah.
So all the listed edition comes with the ability to integrate with our phone system, right? Okay. So why don't we just showcase the guys some features?
Yeah, guys, take a look. I already figured out this integration with Hubspot, so you can see I'm in the Hubspot now. I guess I can just make a call right now because my mobile is here. I think I can make a call right now because I just make myself as one of my contacts.
Yeah, so he's clicking the number and making a phone call to his mobile.
Sure.
Yeah. Here we go.
Wait a second. I guess the network may not be that fast. Here we go.
Are we? Okay, you have two calls.
Yeah, I got two calls actually, guys.
On the same time. So yeah.
Yeah, got a phone right now.
Okay, here, let's show the guys.
That's right. Let me just pick it up.
Pick it up.
Sure.
And mute it.
And mute it. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, so click to call, that's a very basic feature.
Yeah, that's very basic. We have links, especially the links for Google. So very easy for us to make it work, right?
Yeah. So just find a contact, find the number, click, and the phone system will directly call the guy.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Another thing we can do here is going to be call journal, right?
Yeah, call journal.
Very important. So let's just take a look. Since I just make a call to myself, which is Jason Hu. Check on it. If you want to check the call journal, everything will be synchronized to here.
Automatically, right?
Exactly.
So you will see all the actions, right? All the calls that we have made all the time, right? So here it is.
Yeah, I tried this.
This is the one
for a couple of times.
But this is the one that we we
the
got
latest
here.
one. Yeah.
The latest one we got here.
Sure.
So this is our call journaling. That means all the actions will be recorded
it will
as
just be synchronized.
The CDR will be recorded as an action, a call, right? And you can actually edit more detailed information on every registration, right? Like for example, what have you talked about? What's the outcome? And do we have further plan? Things like this, to keep you, or to keep everything, memorized by you guys, right? So, okay, this is actually, the content. This is a basic feature,
That's the basic feature. Actually, I think it's better for us to make another call because you guys can see Ramon is not in my contact list.
Yeah.
That means you're going to be the unknown caller for me.
So I will call you as a unknown caller.
Yeah, please, just go ahead.
As you guys can see.
That's what I want you to do.
I'm making a call right now, right? Let's see.
Okay, it's raining now, right?
Well, not yet. I think it takes a little while.
Seconds.
Take a couple of for the service provider. Okay, here we go.
That's raining?
It's raining.
Sure thing.
You dialed.
Okay.
All right. Okay, you can mute it.
I'm muted.
All right, guys, see this. First of all, we get the incoming call pop-up.
Yeah.
And number two, you're going to be able to create a new contact automatically right now, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So I can just talk with you, check with this new customer, then I can get the information, and I can simply drop your name over here.
Yeah, so if you have an unknown caller make a phone call to the system, right? First of all, the PBX will pass the information, the caller ID, to the CRM.
Sure.
And if the CRM find out that it's a new caller,
exactly.
It's not registered, and it will automatically create a new contact, as you guys can see here. So, well, just in case you forgot.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah.
And while you talk, you can actually, put in the information as Jason did.
Sure.
So now I am already
You're one of my contacts now.
Yeah, and my number is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is, an unknown caller.
That's right.
Automatic, call automatic new contact, right? And by the way, this is this is a function that you can switch on and switch off.
Yeah, sure.
Right? So you can choose to enable it.
It depends on you. If you want to use it, you can just turn it on your P-Series system. If you don't need it, disable it.
Disable it.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this is
that's the CRM integration.
CRM integration, right?
And also, by the way, another thing, since we're talking about CRM, another important update we can support this time is going to be a hardware.
Hardware.
Yeah, a hardware, guys. We actually bring another hardware in today's live stream for you. Now, why don't you just show us?
Okay, so it's a new function?
Yeah, it's
right?
a new function.
Okay, so you make the phone call.
Yeah,
because
let me
I
just
will have
make
to,
a phone call right now.
You make a phone call.
Sure. I want to make a phone call to show you guys exactly what it is. All right, first of all, I'm just calling now. And I'll wait for a while. I guess just take a couple of seconds.
Yeah. Okay, we have some questions here. Okay. Our colleague is dealing with all the questions. Okay. Okay.
All right, I got a back signal on my mobile. I think I probably need to change my position.
Okay, it's okay. Well, we're gonna go straight on it.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. This is another piece of hardware that you guys are requiring.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is,
the headset.
The headset. Yeah, as you can see, this is the Yealink headset.
Sure.
It's now fully supported, and when for the last two tries, the ringtone that you guys hear is from.
It's actually from this one, the headset base.
The headset base. Yeah. So it is now fully supported.
Sure.
And if I click on that, as you guys see, I can mute myself. I can
there's wire control. You can just use the wire control with this headset. There's a button. Yeah.
There's a button. Yeah. So all the features that is on the headset is now supported.
Sure.
Right. Not only the Yealink headset as well.
It's just one of them.
One of them. Yeah.
We can actually support a couple of brands. Now, for example, Jabra, which is already supported.
A couple versions ago.
Yeah. And this time we bring you guys Yealink, Iepi, and also Poly.
Yeah. So all those headsets of those Jabra, Yealink, Iepi, and Polys are being tested.
Yeah, that's right.
And with no problem at all.
Sure.
But technically, because the integration is realized by Web Edge ID, that means technically speaking, all headsets that support HID should be integrated with no problem at all.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So if you have some other headsets, just make sure they can support Web HID. Then there's no problem for us to use it with the P-Series system, the web client, by plug and play.
Yeah.
Very easy.
Plug and play.
USB plug and play.
Yeah. Try it out.
Sure.
Yeah. So I guess that's it for the Hubspot.
Yeah, that's right.
And the headset.
Sure.
Right.
Yeah, we already showed you guys a very important integration with the third-party hardware.
And software.
Yeah, software
Hotspot.
and hardware. I think there's another hardware which is very important for a phone system, which is going to be the Iepi phone. Let me just make it straightforward.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, sure. The Iepi phone integration with our P-Series system. When we try to figure out the phone deployment, we're going to use auto provisioning.
Yeah.
That's nothing new. And absolutely, if you have a couple of Iepi phones that are deployed in the remote office or home office, you can use it with our auto provisioning remotely as well. Well, this time we bring you guys another biggest. I'm pretty sure this is kind of like the biggest update for it, which is by using Fqdn. To realize the auto provisioning with your Iepi phones.
Yeah, so remote auto provision with Fqdn.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's not like the traditional way. All right. Traditional way, you want to realize the auto provisioning remotely. I guess technically it's not a problem, but the thing is, you're supposed to make port forwarding, get a public IP address, configure net, a couple of steps, which is really tricky, really complicated, not good for security.
Okay, you might think, okay, I can do this.
Yeah.
I have the knowledge. I can do this.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, it's risky.
Yeah, it's risky.
It's
guys.
risky. You will pay one way or another, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, let's put this aside, okay? Imagine this. You are setting up a phone system for a customer,
Sure.
right? Why do you want to do remote auto provision?
You just want to make your job easier. That's the purpose,
Yeah,
right?
you want to stay at your office and make everything all right.
That's right.
And set up everything and just, have the packages sent up to your customers and that'll be it.
Yeah.
That's remote deployment.
Sure.
But if it requires, port forwarding beforehand, it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense,
right?
guys.
You have to go there, do things in their router, and get back.
Sure.
It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
But now with the Fqdn, you can totally realize all the registration of the IP phone remotely at your office with the Fqdn, right? As long as you make sure that the customer have internet access for their phones, it will work.
That's
right. Because the registration, the auto provision is realized by Fqdn, right? So you just do it at your office with Fqdn and have everything packed to your customer's office. They just power on.
Yep.
And you don't have to do anything there.
That's right. Your phone RPS is going to go access the Fqdn directly without any additional network settings.
Yeah. So you avoid static public IP address. You avoid all the risks.
Yep.
And you can do things way a lot easier.
That's right.
Yeah, you don't have to travel.
This is the real remote auto provisioning solution.
Yeah.
I mean,
and it's not only that.
Yeah, not only that, guys. This time, you know what? The Fqdn is really powerful. It basically means if you prefer next time, you can just jump into your P-Series system with the Fqdn and simultaneously you can access the configuration portal of your IP phone.
Yeah. So
think about this, guys. This is crazy.
So now it is totally centralized management for your phone system. Okay, you use the Fqdn.
Sure.
You access to the PBX interface, and from PBX interface you access to the phone interface.
Jump into the phone.
Yeah.
Right.
So whenever so that means if the customer have some problem and you are offering support, you are maintaining the system, you can actually get into the interface. You can get into the phones remotely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's right.
You don't have to travel. You don't have to go there, right? It just make you. It just realize total remote management.
That's right.
Right.
Yeah. And also, by the way, this function, it can be realized based on your P-Series appliance edition, software edition, and you can also use it, the same way based on your YCM remote management.
Yeah, so it's supported across all platforms.
Sure.
Yeah. So now with remote auto provision, with Fqdn, we can have remote management and remote deployment supporting.
Yeah.
Integrated system
delivered. Yeah,
Indeed.
Once again. Yeah.
Indeed.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess that was all for the integration with our hardwares, with our headset, with our IP phones.
Right.
Yeah. I guess the next new feature, which is so important, I'm pretty much sure that will be the biggest one for today's live stream.
Okay, there are two biggest functions.
Too big, but I'm pretty sure the next one will be the real biggest one.
Well, the ultimate integration.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, if you need to integrate our PBX to a third party, any
third-party platforms, you're gonna need this pretty short, which is API.
API. Yeah. I'm gonna do a drum roll.
Just go ahead.
Well, okay, you already.
I already just announced.
You already announced it, right? So.
Okay, my bad.
It's okay. It's okay. So API is now supported.
Yeah, highly demanded feature, guys. Now it's supported on the new firmware based on your system.
It's on the appliance edition, the software edition, and cloud edition.
Absolutely. Right? Yeah. And as you can see here, our API feature this time supports so many interfaces for you to figure out the third-party integration.
Here's the list.
That's right.
Yeah.
If you prefer, you can realize the integration by using PBX settings, extensions, chunks, CDR, recording, so many things.
Yeah, basically adding and editing new functions, right? Like inbound, outbound rules,
call
like
controls,
IVRs, call controls, extension and trunks, and downloading
notifications.
And download information like CDRs, recordings. PBX system configuration is also available for downloading, and of course, things like that. Okay, so it can do a lot of things. This is a list of all the functions that is open for query. But of course, if you're definitely going to need more information, right? Yeah. So we are also going to sending an link in our chat, which is our API menu, right?
Sure.
Okay, our colleague is on it right now. Over there, you will be able to see, of course, first of all the scopes. All the functions that is open for query, all the applications. And of course, the structures for the integration to guide you through the integration. We have all the information that you need to know before you
check in the link.
Check in the link, okay, please. Sure. Here, check the API developer menu. This is it. Sure. Okay, go there, take a look, okay?
Well, generally speaking, because of those interfaces, so many interfaces, we're going to be able to use our P-Series system to work together with our CRM system, with our ERP system, and also with even the billing system, guys. That's truly supported, guys. For example, like I mentioned, billing system. You can simply just take some information from our PBX, like extensions, chunks, concurrent calls, and recordings. And after that, there you go, you can realize the integration with your billing system, and you're gonna be able to use your billing system to get those detailed information to give you the billing report.
Yeah, because the concurrent call information is open for download, the CDRs, the extensions. So your billing system is totally available for you to, realize the integration, especially if you are, hosting a cloud service.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
So please try it out, okay?
Yeah.
Please try it out. Okay. Thank you, guys. First of all, our thanks to the audiences.
Yeah. Lots of feedbacks there.
All the feedbacks, all the questions, and some asking for new features. Sure. Thank you for that.
Okay.
We see a lot of cool things.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take a look at here. Oh, most of the features, but the hotel integration. Okay, a lot of features. Okay, a lot of requirements. Okay, will there be an option in the future to access the phone interface and cloud version? Yeah, for sure. Okay. Joseph has taken this question.
All right.
Most of the question has been taken by our colleagues.
Yeah. I guess we can keep going, right?
We can keep going.
Sure.
Okay.
We still have a couple of other features available based on this new firmware. A couple of side features. But it really helps.
It helps.
Yeah. For example, this time we also have a couple of updates on our Links for Google. All right. So as we know, Links for Google is really useful, really functional, right? And we just add a couple of updates there for giving you guys a better user experience. For example, this time you will be able to have the notification of the new voicemail and instant message. Well, I guess next time, if you have any new incoming calls, voicemails, or instant message, you won't miss any of them.
Yeah, if you have your web client closed, right, turned off by any reason, the pop-up will show you.
Sure.
You won't miss any calls, you won't miss any voicemail or instant messages.
Yeah.
Right? And another function that we have here is features code.
Yeah.
Well,
old school style.
Because a lot of our customers are requiring certain, functions to be realized by features code using their IP phone.
Sure.
Now we have added call monitor and call forward destination switch.
Yeah.
Back
on the P-Series system.
Back on the P-Series system using features code for IP phones.
Yeah.
So if you need it,
which is gonna meet your requirement.
Yeah.
And number 3, guys, it's gonna be MOH streaming.
Music on hold
streaming. Like a tongue twister. Yeah, music on hold streaming. So next time you want to use music on hold, you don't have to download all of them. You can just get the, MOH online.
Yeah, you have your playlist.
Sure.
You can stream online music to your phone system. You use it as a music on hold, anything else.
That's really easy. Yeah.
It's easy, and it is available now.
Sure.
Yeah. And
number 4, I guess this is something we mentioned before.
Yeah, we mentioned before. IP phone remote access,
use the Fqdn, jump into your P-Series system, and you're going to go access your Iepi file for your management and your maintenance.
Yeah. So please, try it out.
Yeah, right? Sure.
Try it out. And now with all the new features, we have updated our subscription plan, all the features in our subscription plan as well.
Even the subscription plan, we have a little bit update there, and let's take a look.
Can we have the subscription plan?
So, guys, take a look. Yeah, this time the subscription plan, as you can see, the enterprise plan and ultimate plan, we just add 2 more features. Number 1 is going to be CRM integration. We add Hubspot.
Yeah, Hotspot.
That's right. And number 2 is going to be API integration.
Yeah.
So once again, next time if you want to try the API, don't forget to subscribe either enterprise plan or the ultimate plan.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah. And well, try it out. Right?
Yeah, sure. And by the way, guys, for those who are probably, if you don't have the P-Series system or you never tried it, this is the moment. We also shared the link in the chat panel.
Yeah.
You guys can go click on it, apply for the trial license.
Yeah, free trial for 30 days.
Sure.
Yeah, starting right now.
Yeah, starting right now.
We have the link, and you can click to apply for it.
Sure.
Yeah, please do. If you haven't tried it out yet, if you're new to our system, yeah, you got a free version.
Yeah.
For 30 days.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay. I guess that's pretty much it for the P-Series
that was all
PBX.
for the P-Series system update. Just take a look. I guess we have a couple of questions there. All right.
Well, actually,
What, your phone got something wrong with it?
Okay. Yeah, the thing is, well, my chat panel is closed.
All right.
It's disconnected. I don't know. Maybe the connection
probably
is
you
bad.
need to subscribe YouTube license, right?
I'm already premium.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's go on. All right.
Yeah, sure. So if everything's all clear, and I guess we can just keep going.
Let's keep going.
Yeah. Another update, very important, on the S-Series PBX.
S-Series PBX. What is it?
Well, it's actually called LCS Pro. I'm pretty sure you guys are quite familiar with our LCS, Linux Cloud Service. It's a pretty good solution for remote working on your S-Series system with your Linux mobile client and PC client.
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, it was good, but not good enough, since we were talking about the hybrid work scenario.
Yeah.
Right. So think about this: if you're gonna work at your home, you got a couple of devices, maybe hardware desktop phone, maybe Linux, maybe a branch office solution, like another PBX or a gateway. What now? Now, obviously, if you only have LCS, it can't help. It can't help. However, this time you got the LCS Pro, you're going to be able to have something cool, which is Fqdn.
Yes, Fqdn, the domain is now supported in the S-Series PBX.
Sure.
You can use it to remotely register your IP phone.
Yep.
To remotely register other PBXs.
That's
if
right.
that's what you need. You can register our gateways remotely. And you can also, don't forget, we have a function that is our multi-site interconnection in our S-Series PBX.
For branch offices.
Yeah.
You have a couple of offices.
Yeah.
Don't forget that.
Yeah, originally, if you use the multi-site interconnection, you will have to at least have static public IP address and port forwarding in your headquarters.
For the headquarter PBX.
For the headquarter PBX, right? Well, it's somewhat safer, but not enough, right? We want to avoid that totally.
I mean, the truth is, anytime if you make port forwarding, you have to face the risk.
Yeah. So now we can use Fqdn for the multi-site interconnection. That means no static public IP address, no port forwarding. Everything is secured.
Everything's encrypted.
Everything's encrypted.
You're secured.
Yeah. So you can, once again, you can use the Fqdn to register IP phones remotely.
Sure.
Our gateways.
Yep.
To realize multi-site connection, or if you need other PBXs, other IP PBX.
That's also supported.
They are all open for interconnection.
Sure.
Right? And we also support, offer
the trial license.
The trial license.
Same as your LCS Pro, you guys can simply upgrade your S-Series firmware, check on your S-Series PBX, and there you go. You can find there's a trial license which provide you guys 30 days for free.
30 days free trial for LCS Pro.
Sure.
If you need it, go to your web interface of the S-Series and apply for it.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess that's pretty much it for the upgrade.
For the update.
I guess that's it. That's pretty much it for us.
That was all for this live stream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you so much for coming.